Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing great, staying safe at home and doing awesome. Guys, let's see another amazing, super amazing video on Math Magic Vedic Math Card Tricks today. So, our first question, what we are going to see, that we are going to see how to multiply any number, whether it's any number with 12. So, we are going to multiply any number with 12. Now, this is going to be super duper easy. I have 3 examples on the board here. Let me see how much time do I take to solve these 3 questions. So, my time starts now. So, it would be, the answer to this is 2, 7, 3. Sorry, 2, 7, 6. Now, the answer to this is 3, then 8. So, your answer is 408. Now the answer to this is 892 into 12. The answer to this would be 8. 8 to the 16 and then 16. 5, 2 and then 0, 2, 4. So your answer is 4071004. So how I got the answer is this easily without actual multiplication as well. So I achieved them through a trick that I am going to share with you guys in this video. Stay till the end of the video, you will understand this. Now let's begin with our today's video, today's trick and today's multiplication. As you can see on the board, the question is 54 into 12. How to solve this? Just 2 steps. First, take this 2. Take this 2, 5 that you are having. Now carry it downwards. Write it like this. Now multiply this 5 with 2. 5 into 2. 5 2s are, it's 10. Now the answer that you get, add up the next digit. The next digit is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 ka you will write 4. 1 will go carry. Why have I done this? Because we cannot write a 2 digit here. Now the 4 that you can see, multiply this 4 by 2 as well. 4 2s are 8, write 8 as it is. Now add up the number. 8 ka 8 will be, 4 ka it would be 4. 5 ka we had carry 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. This way you will get your answer as 648. How easily did you achieve? Let's move on to the next example that we saw. 23 into 12. What would be the answer for this question? Now here you can see that 2 you have to write as it is. Now you have to multiply this number with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are it's 4. Now 4 may add up the next digit. The next digit is 3. So 4 3s are 4 plus 3 it would be 7. Now multiply this 3 with 2 as well into 2. So your answer would be 3 2s are 6. So write this 3 as 6 as it is. Your answer would be 276. How easy was that? Moving on to our next question solving. Let's take another example as 364 into 12. Okay, 364 into 12. Now guys, if you need to solve this question, what you will do is write this 3 as it is. Now 3 into 2. So 3 2s are, it would be 6. Now 3 into 2 is 6. Now add up the next digit. 6 plus 6, 12 ka 2 you will write. 1 will go carry. Now you will do 6 2s are. Next number also into 2. 6 2s are, it's 12. Now 12 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16. So write 6 here and 1 will go carry. Now you will do this also into 2. 4 2s are, it's 8. 8 write it like this only. Now add up the number. 2 plus 1 it's 3 and 3 plus 1 it's 4. This way you will get your answer. What we just did was, we just multiply, you have to multiply each digit with 2. Where is this 2 coming from? This 2 is 2 of 12 that you are having, right? First of all, multiply each digit with 2 and then add the next digit. Second digit also multiply by 2 and add up the next digit. Then third digit also multiply by 2, but there is no other digit after it. Then write the digit as it is. This simple was this trick. If you still didn't understand, then watch the video till the end. I hope and I promise you guys that till the end you will master this trick even more easily and you will be able to solve such questions in a fraction of seconds. Do practice the questions and do solve all the examples with me. Now let's do it. Now let's take our first example, 369 into 12. Now I started this with a tough example so that from a tough to lower point you can go. I know you should go A to Z, not Z to A, but for mathematics, let's try a different way as well. Okay. Now 369 into 12, because if you will be able to solve the hard questions, then you will be easily able to solve this easier questions as well. I don't need to explain you much. What we will do, add up, 3 into 2, 3 2s are, it's 6. So first write 3 as it is, 3 2s are, you will write 6, and then 6 plus 3, 3 2s are 6, and 6 plus 6, here is 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 ka you will write 2, 1 will go carry. Then 6 2s are, it's 12. Now you will do 12 में plus this 9. Simple. 12 plus 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 का 1 you will write here, 2 will go carry. Now what will you do? 9 into 2. 9 2s are, it's 18. 18 का 8 you will write here, 1 will go carry. And yeah, your answer is there. Just add up the numbers. What you will get is 8, 2, 4, 4. So your answer is 4, 4, 2, 8. And guess what, guys? If you do 369 into 12, then your answer would be 4, 4, 2, 8. This is the absolute answer. Just check it using a calculator if you won't believe. Now, moving on, let's solve even more examples. Let's take, I think we should take 64 into 12. Okay. 64 into 12. We have solved the same examples in my last video, which was how to multiply any number by 11. This was also, that trick was also the absolute same trick. This video is also the same trick only, but that was into 11, this is into 12 and into 13 as well. Now 64, so just write 6 as it is. Done. Now what you will do is multiply 6 by 2. Where is this 2 coming from? This 2 is of 12 ka 2. Okay. So 6 2s are, you will do 6 2s are, it's 12. 12 ka 2 you will write here, and 1 will go carry. Now what you will do is 1 will go carry. But is this trick working, or if I do this? No, this will totally be wrong. What I will do is first 6 ka 2s I will do, that is 12, and then 12 plus 4 I will do. 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 ka 6 I will write here, and 1 will go carry. This is the point that I want you guys to remember, so that you can solve your questions. Now 4 ko into 2 I will do, 4 2s are 8. So your answer is here. Just add up the number. 6 plus 1, it's 7. 7, 6, 8 is your answer. Very easy na? It's very easy. Super duper easy trick. Now moving on, let's solve another example. Let 23 into 12. What are we doing, guys? If you didn't understand the trick till now, what we will do is first write the first digit number as it is, then multiply it by 2. 2 why? Because this 2 is coming from 12 ka this 2. So multiply this by 2. So 2 2s are, it's 4. Now 4 के बाद आगे के जो digit है ना उसको add कर दो. It's 3. आगे 3 दिया हुआ है, तो 4 plus 3 you will do 4, 5, 6, 7. Write 7 as it is. Now we have done till here, right? We have done till here. Now multiply these 3 as well with 2. Once you are done with one digit, 3 2s are, it's 6. Write 6 as it is, because after 3 there is no other number. Okay, so your answer is 276. If you look at the question, 23 into 12. If you didn't understand the trick yet, then do watch the video till the end. I promise you that while practicing solving the examples with me and watching the video till the end, you will understand the entire trick. You won't even say that you didn't understand the trick. Now what we will do is 23 into 12. Now here, what we did, we just wrote 2 here. Then 2 2s are, we did 2 2s are, and then it came 4. 4 plus 3, it came 7. And then we wrote 3 2s are, that was 6. Simple na? Now let's take another example as well to understand this even more better, in even a more better way. 21 into 12. Now what we will do is 21 ka we will write 2 as it is. 2 as it is. Then 2 2s are, this number ka 2s are. 2 2s are, it's 4, and then 4 plus आगे का number जो कि है 5. So 4 plus 1, it would be 5. Now this one you will multiply with 2. 2 ones are, it's 2, and guess what guys, your answer is 252. When you multiply 21 with 12, you get your answer as 252. Now, moving on, let's solve another example, 43 into 12. Now 43 into 12, this is exactly the same one. Just carry the 4 down. Then 4 2s are 8. 8 plus this 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 you will write, but 1 will go carry. 3 2s are, it's 6. Right here. Your answer to this is, add up the number. 5, 1, 6. Simple, very simple. Now, moving on, let's solve another example based on the same trick. 89 into 12. Okay, 89 into 12. 8 as it is. Now 8 2s are, 8 2s are, it's 16. 16 plus 9, what it could be? 16 plus 9, it would be 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. 5 here, 2 carry. We can't write a 2-digit number, okay? So 5 here, 2 carry. Now 9 ka 2s are you will do. 9 2s are, it's 18. 18 you will not write entire 18. Just do some carry. Done. Now just add up the numbers. Your answer would be 8. Then 5 plus 1, it's 6, and 8 plus 2, it's 8, 9, 10. 10, 6, 8 is your answer. Just use a calculator to check this. Your answer would be absolutely correct. Not even a 1 digit would be idhar ka udhar ya udhar ka idhar, right? Moving on, one of our last examples, let's solve this. Now this last example, I want you guys to focus and attend, give your most of the attention here. Just attend this properly. What I will do here is, I will take a 4-digit number, 4, 6, 2, 9. You see, this is a 4-digit number. The steps would be a bit extended here. What you will do is, carry 4 ka 4 down. Now what you will do is, 4 2s are, this number को 4 से 2 का मल्टीप्लाई करो. 4 2s are, it's 8. ना 8 को फिर प्लस 6 करना है, आगे का नंबर ऐड कर देना है. 8 plus 6, it would be 6, 7, 8, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. Okay, it would be 14. 14 का 4 यहाँ 1 भेज दो कैरी. Now what you will do is, 6 को फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. अब 6 2s are, it's 12, and then 12 plus 2, 14. 4 यहाँ 1 कैरी. Now 2 को फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. 2 this 2. Now 2 2s are 4. Then 4 plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13 का 3 यहाँ 1 कैरी. And then 9 2s are, 9 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. 9 2s are, it's 18. 8 यहाँ 1 कैरी. एंड 9 के आगे कोई नंबर है नहीं, इसीलिए हम लोगों ने कुछ ऐड अप नहीं किया. बस अभी सबको नंबर्स को ऐड कर दो. सो योर आंसर वुड बी 8, 4, 5, 5, 5. Guess what? This is the absolute answer for the question above. So in this way you can get your answers even more easily. You try solving this type of questions on your own. If your answers doesn't come, this means you have done some mistake, because this is a Vedic matrix, works on all numbers. And if you have any query, any doubt, do tell me in the comments below. And do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel Jyoti Verma. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care, tata, and bye bye.